following counties in Pennsylvania: Adams, Berks, Cumberland, Dauphin, Julietta, Lancaster, Lebanon, Erie, Springfield, and York. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. A call. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Lycoming County in north-central Pennsylvania, northeastern Union County in central Pennsylvania, eastern Clinton County in north-central Pennsylvania until 3:30 p.m. At 2:33 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Camel to near Manhattan to Mackeyville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Williamsport, Lock Haven, Lewisburg, Montoursville, Jersey Shore, Carroll, Muncie, Mill Hall, Montgomery, Lintown, Avis, Dunstown, Flemington, DuBoistown, Castanea, New Columbia, Manhattan, Allenwood, Elamsport, and Waterville. For those driving on Interstate 80, this includes areas between the Lamar and Milton-Williamsport exits, specifically from mile markers 177 to 210. This includes Interstate 180 near mile marker 10, and from mile markers 15 to 29. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following counties: Clinton, Lycoming, and Union. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, Montour County in central Pennsylvania, southeastern Lycoming County in north-central Pennsylvania, Columbia County in central Pennsylvania, eastern Union County in central Pennsylvania, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:16 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Montgomery to New Columbia to Mifflinburg, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bloomsburg, Berwick, Sunbury, Milton, Lewisburg, Danville, Montoursville, Northumberland, Mifflinburg, Winfield, Muncie, Watsontown, Ellisburg, Riverside, Montgomery, Catawissa, Lintown, Mifflinville, Light Street, and Almedia. For those driving on Interstate 80, this includes areas between the Mile Run and Muskelsik exits, specifically from mile markers 202 to 247. This includes Interstate 180 from mile markers 1 to 14. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties: Columbia, Lycoming, Montour, Northumberland, and Union. A severe. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Blair County in central Pennsylvania, northern Cambria County in central Pennsylvania, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over northern Cambria, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ebensburg, Nancy Glo, Northern Cambria, Patton, Crescent, Gallitzin, Loretto, Hastings, Carrolltown, Sankertown, Belsuno, Horseshoe Curve, Princeton. Alerts in State Park, Culver, Tuttle Hill, Asheville, Chest Springs, Allegheny Portage Railroad National Historic Site, Paulson and St. Francis University. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties: Blair and Cambria. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Blair County and central. Northeastern Skilled County in Radical County in central Columbia County in central Pennsylvania before 10 p.m. Severe thunderstorms along a line extending from near Rock Glen to near Brandonville to LaSalle, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Entries, locations and package include Tamaqua, Shenandoah, Ashland, Rockville, Palmdale, Tuscarora, New Philadelphia, Briar City, Park Crest, LaSalle, Altamont, Englewood, Delano, Nuremberg, Arises, Fountain, and Bridgeport. For those driving on Interstate 80, this includes areas between the Mifflinville and Muskoka exits, specifically from mile markers 246 to 247. This includes Interstate 81 to 120 to 139. For your room, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. For the following counties: Columbia, County in eastern Pennsylvania until 5:15 p.m. At 4:13 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located near Eastwood to 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Palmdale, Stanford, Literally, Wildwood, Leonardsville, New Manning, Ness, Lake Harmony, Newport, with the latest Albrightsville, and Sunshine. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers and 37, Interstate 7 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 29 and 47, Interstate 8 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 277 and 289. For your protection, you move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties: Pennsylvania, Lehigh, Monroe, and Wilshire. The following Wyoming County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 5 p.m. At 4:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Osterhout or near Tunkhannock, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Scranton, Falls, Carbondale, Artwald, Blakely, Dixon City, Elifant, Clark Summit, Jessup, and through. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey. Philadelphia, Gryer Surprise Hail. Source, River Lake State Park, Sandus. Oil damage to vehicles is expected. Park Place, Trenton, and Casca. This includes Interstate 81 for mile markers 130 to 139. For your protection movement, Compton, Beverly, Headley, Sellaville, and Beach